Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2011 X3 2.8, and this is the 6-cylinder. The later versions were 4-cylinder. It's a sapphire black metallic with beige leather interior. It's all-wheel drive. Body's in beautiful condition. It's not dinged or absolutely no rust. Nice leather interior. Power front seats. The driver's side is memory. 2-position memory. The rear seats are heated as well as the front. And we have a heated steering wheel, and that's the sport wheel with cruise and radio controls. Here's a look at the navigation screen. And I'll start it up. This is keyless ignition. Automatic climate control, 6-disc CD. Beautiful wood grain. It may be a little dark, hard to see it. It's they call it fine line. So panorama, glass roof, and it's got a power shade, and the roof slides back. It's power. And this has a backup camera as well as parking sensors. Back on the outside, the side mirrors are power retractable. Lots of room in the back. And it's got heating and cooling in the back as well. And there's the heated seats. Another look at the panorama roof. And here's the wood grain. Power tailgate. Naturally, the rear seats will fold down flat, and it has a parcel cover. Additional storage underneath. Just push the button. Has brand new tires all the way around. And new front brakes, rotors, and pads. Here's the power seat on this side and lumbar. So fully detailed, runs and drives excellent. Thanks for your time. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.